Hello everyone, it's Berlin Biker, and I did some online shopping. Why did I have to do online shopping? Well, I don't have the majority of my motorcycle stuff in Michigan yet. My jacket is somewhere in a box held up by DHL. My pants are somewhere in a box held up by DHL. I have a back protector, I have a helmet, and I have shoes that only work for my Dainese D1 pants. So, what did we do? Well, I did some shopping at revzilla.com, and I want to show you guys what I bought. So if that sounds interesting, let's do some jacket unboxing. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you guys something. I'm really proud of this. I built a table. Look how nice that looks. Big chunk of wood, some nice metal legs, and I made a matching desk. Sorry about the cables, those are gonna go away. I got a big old monitor, I got some cool lockers. I'm making my house my own. It's not just a house, it's a home. All right, let's do jacket stuff. All right, let's tilt this camera down. Oh. Best scissors ever, IKEA, $6, no joke. Now don't judge my scissor abilities. Moment of truth. Oh wow, it's light. Ugh. Ooh. That is a Dainese Stripes D1 piece leather perforated jacket. All right, so let's try it on. This is a size 54. I bought the 54 instead of the 52, which I had in my old Dainese jacket because I got chunkier in the last 2 years and I wanted a little extra space. That's honest. Overall it feels exactly the same though, so that's nice. Catwalk, catwalk. So, why did I buy this jacket? Well, a few different reasons. One of the biggest reasons is I don't have a jacket, and I want to go ride. Number one. Number two, I have a spring and fall jacket, but the last 2 years, I've realized that that Dainese jacket that I have, the D1 is really hot during the summer, and it stopped me from riding a few times, and I thought that was really shitty. So I was thinking about getting a textile jacket, but I'd never found a textile jacket that like is up to my, I don't know, my vanity? That's the best way to put it. Nothing really looked good to me. So I just said fuck it, and some days I wouldn't ride, and some days I would sweat buckets, but it was okay. This jacket is perforated, so what that means is it has a bunch of little holes in it, allowing airflow to come through, cooling it down. So it'll be my summer jacket. Another really cool feature of this jacket that I'm a big fan of and I didn't even know about, it has a zip in and zip out. Boop, boop, boop. Zip in and zip out, like quilted jacket that goes inside. So if you want a little more heat or a little less heat, you can actually make that yourself. I'm not going to spend time trying to do that. Another part of why I bought this jacket is I was looking for something little understated from the other Dainese jacket. One of my bike purchases in the next few months, one of the next bike purchases, there's a few, potentially 3. At the end of the year, there might be 4 motorcycles in my garage. A lot about that coming soon. I wanted a jacket that I could wear to work and no one would know that it's a motorcycle jacket. I wanted to have that cool cafe look, but I didn't want to sacrifice the performance and the protection of a high quality Italian jacket, right? It still has the same C1 protection, which is this level of protection in case you fell, what would actually do. So it has full plastic hard padding around the elbows, This leather is super thick. Like if you fell down, like you will be as safe as you can be. It has a place for a back protector inside the jacket, as well as space for the actual back protector that straps on, which you guys have seen mine in the past as well. Outside of this little Italian flag, the Dainese, it says it on the inside of the forearm here, and on the back in a very fine script. You can barely tell that this is a jacket, that this is a branded jacket whatsoever. It's exactly what I was looking for my next jacket. Put it on again. I'm really excited about this jacket. So let's do some slow-mos of the jacket and the patterns themselves right now. And I want to show you guys probably the next the next part of this video will be just like how I enjoy riding in this jacket. I'm gonna go ride tomorrow on a bike that you guys don't know about yet. How exciting. But I'll tell you all about this jacket and what I think about it. But so far, I'm really impressed with the quality and the smell of a new leather jacket. It's intoxicating. It smells like craftsmanship. It's kind of weird. So, let's do some slow-mos of the jacket. And that's it for today's video, everyone. I'm going to the next video of this. I'm going to actually go ride a bike with the jacket. I'll give you kind of more of like a first impression on the jacket, fit, feel when you ride, if I have like it attached to my pants, and how it works with the helmet, all that fun stuff. If that sounds interesting, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But that's it for right now, guys. Berlin Biker is out. Have a good day.